He tried to hustle towards the finish line. A good debate is always won by a persuasive speaker. Names may alter, but people don't. They were killed in a brutal manner. In total darkness, he listened intently to the vibrations from the outside world. Nearly all food eventually spoils or goes bad. The equator is an imaginary line that circles the earth. Clouds envelop the hills in rainy season. Human brain can recognize thousands of different smells. In order to become a certified investment advisor, one must follow a certain trajectory. People who bake bread at home, they use a knife to cut a loaf into slices. Humans are born with innate sense of justice. Cheesemakers add salt to preserve the cheese. Hundreds of our old articles were assembled into a book. People spent a fortune on that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Try my quiz.